To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Jacoxi, Lord Mahaguruji Neling, all the great, great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, all the spiritual helpers, to my higher soul, to all the money that shows up in my life every day in abundance, to my perfect health, to my very attractive mind, to all the beautiful relationships, to all my dreams and desires manifesting, to all the support from the universe, to Rhonda Byrne, and to each and every person connected to this book. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, all my relationships. Thank you, this perfect health. Thank you for each and every organ working amazingly. Thank you for magnificent outcomes that I had today. Thank you for success in all my endeavors. Thank you for universal support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you, all of you. Thank you. So today is day 22, and yesterday's activity was thank you for the magnificent outcome of dash dash dash. Today's chapter is called Before Your Very Eyes. Before your very eyes. This world, after all our science and sciences, is still a miracle, wonderful, inscrutable, magical, and more to whosoever will think of it. Thomas Carlyle, writer and historian. 7 years ago, when I first discovered the secret and the magical power of gratitude, I made a list of all my desires. It was a long list at that time. There seemed to be no possible way my desires could come true. Nevertheless, I took my top 10 desires and I carried them with me on a piece of paper every day. Whenever I had an opportunity, I would take out my list and read through it, giving as much gratitude for each desire as I could, as though I've received it. With my number one desire, the desire I wanted more than anything else, I kept it constantly in my mind. And I would say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you, for it multiple times in a day, and feel as if it has come true. One by one, every desire on my list magically appeared before me, before my very eyes. As I received my desires, I would cross them off my list, and when I had new desires, I would add them to my list. One of my desires from my original long list was to travel to Bora Bora near Tahiti. After spending a beautiful week at the exact place in Bora Bora, I had listed another beautiful thing. Another beautiful thing happened. I was flying to the mainland of Tahiti on my way home when the airplane stopped en route to pick up passengers. The flight had been empty, but it filled to the brim with native Tahitians. And suddenly, laughter, smiling faces, and the happiness that was palpable surrounded me. As I enjoyed the short flight with these beautiful people, it became crystal clear to me the reason why they were so happy. They were grateful. They were grateful to be alive. They were grateful to be on the airplane. They were grateful to be with each other. They were grateful for where they were going, and they were grateful for everything. I could have stayed on that plane and traveled around the world with them. It felt so good to be with them. And then it struck me that I had just received my final desire. Bora Bora was the last desire on my original list. And the reason I was on that plane was before my very eyes. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. I have shared this story as an inspiration for you because no matter how big your desires seem to be, you can receive them through gratitude. Even more than that, gratitude will bring a joy and happiness for life that you have never felt before. And that is truly priceless. From the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction to the time I received my final desire on my original list was 4 years. From the time I began using gratitude and the law of attraction, from the time I received my final desire on my original list was 4 years. So what Rhonda is saying that it took her 4 years to kind of manifest all her 10 priority desires. According to my um, another readings of metaphysical, world and law of attraction, it can take from 1 minute or 3 seconds to 3 years to manifest anything in your life. So she manifested 10 desires, which is really very, very miraculous, which is very, very magical in 4 years. But a lot of philosophers will say that it will take a second or it will take 3 years to manifest anything that you want. Anything. And I think that, I think if I remember correctly, again, the Jim Carrey video that we were seeing, I think it took him 4 years to manifest that amount as an acting services rendered 4 years again. So basically, I mean, the good news here is that this is 2020 going on, and month of August, maybe 2024, month of August, you will have all the things that you desire, maybe the first 10 things. So if you still haven't written those first 10 things, maybe today is the time for you to write that, and it encourages me. Trust me, I mean, I get encouraged too. So I'm going to really now start manifesting, and I'm really I use my manifestation techniques every day, and I'm really telling you, it's amazing. Things manifest every day. But what happens with me personally is that I'm like, oh my god, I should have asked for something else, because this is what I asked a week back, and it is already showing in my life. But you know what, this only increases my faith into, if I was asking for a bottle of water and it appeared, then maybe like a jet plane will too. So because in the eyes of the universe, nothing is large or small, it's the characteristic of our personality. I have said that enough times now. So why not? I mean, if it takes 4 years for Jim Carrey and Rhonda Byrne to manifest anything in their lives, aren't you already excited? Like, I think I'm really excited right now to think about it, that my amazing dream is going to manifest in 4 years. And I'm throwing it out there in the universe right now, whilst this session, that my dream will manifest, or all my dreams will start manifesting from now to 4 years, all of them, and it will manifest. And or maybe before that, why not? I mean, maybe in 1 year. But aren't you excited already? Because I am really excited. I received my final desire on my original list. My original list was 4 years. To give you an idea of the enormousness of receiving all my desires in that amount of time when I created my desire list. My company was $2 million in debt. This is Rhonda saying. My company was $2 million in debt, and I had 2 months before I would be forced to shut it down and would lose my home and everything I own. The money I owed on my personal credit card was a small fortune, and yet on my desire list was to own a big house overlooking the ocean, to travel to exotic places in the world, to have paid all my debts, to expand my company, to restore every relationship to the best of it, improve the quality of my family's life, to be 100% healthy again, and have unlimited energy and excitement for life, along with the usual list of material things. And my number one desire, which seemed to be an absolute impossibility to many of the people around me, was to bring joy to millions of people through my work. The very first desire that I received was bringing joy to millions of people through my work. The rest, my desires magically followed. And one by one, as they appeared before my very eyes, I crossed them on my list. Now it's your turn, and it's my turn to use gratitude's magical power to make your desires appear before your very eyes. At the start of the day, take top 10 desires list and that you created. Read through each sentence and desires on your list for 1 minute. Imagine or visualize that you have received your desire. Feel a lot of gratitude. Carry your desire list with you today in your pocket, on at least 2 occasions in the day. Take out your list, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can that you've received it. If you want your desires to come more quickly, I would highly recommend that you carry your desire list with you in your wallet or purse from this day forward. And whenever you have time, open it up, read through it, and feel as much gratitude as you can for each one. When your desires appear before your very eyes, cross them off your list and add more. If you are like me, each time you cross a desire, add one more to it, and you will be in tears of joy, because what seemed impossible was made possible through the magical power of gratitude. Okay, that's the end of day 22. Tomorrow is the magical air that you breathe. And before you sleep tonight, hold your magic rock. Tomorrow, you know what you need to do. You need to kind of firstly write things that you're grateful for, and then read your top 10 desires as though you've already manifested them, and it will manifest. And please do these activities. They're really magical. Just do it, do it, do it. And more magic in your life, in my life. Thank you, universe, for supporting me in all my dreams and desires. Thank you for showering your abundant blessings, abundance in my life. Thank you for showering your abundance in my life. I am so grateful for your blessings. I am grateful, 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 grateful. I'm really happy. I'm very joyful, and I'm very, very, very grateful. The Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakuksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great, great ones, holy gurus, holy masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers to my higher soul. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, the creators of this book, The Magic. Thank you, universe, for showering your blessings. Thank you for filling my life with absolute abundance. Thank you for this perfect 100% healthy body. Thank you for making all my dreams come true way before the targeted time. Thank you for success in all my endeavors. Thank you for all the happiness in relationships. Thank you for joy. Thank you for manifesting my desire. Thank you for supporting all my endeavors. And thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you all of you. Bye-bye. Good night.